My name is Aishwarya Pature and I've completed my graduation in Bachelor's of Arts in Economics from Vivekanand College of Arts, Science and Commerce in the year 2020, and I'm currently pursuing my Master's in Economics from SNDT University. When it comes to graduation, all of us desire to get admitted into the topmost colleges because why not? And indeed, Vivekanand College of Arts, Science and Commerce tops the list in all the spheres of quality education. As I stepped into the college with a desire to learn, I was aware that it is one of the topmost colleges in Mumbai and I was already finding myself privileged to be a part of the prestigious university. It stood true to all my aspirations and dreams. I would say it contributed significantly in building and molding the foundation of my career and has been very close to my heart. I consider myself prerogative to have been guided under the expertise, under the proficiency of my professors and who have guided me throughout my journey and became an eternal part of my journey throughout my career. When it comes to college life, the aura that surrounds an individual shapes their personality. And I believe VES corridors, VES atmosphere, VES ambience, and the entire structure has contributed in shaping our personality brightly. During the entire course, we are encompassed with numerous intra as well as intercollegiate competitions and activities which boost our academics and help us to perform even more better and also encourage us to interact with each other and expand our thinking. In economics department particularly, I enjoy the entrepreneurship workshop and our professors who would always be on toes to guide us whenever we need it and ensure that we understand what we are learning and not just mugging up because economics is all about understanding. And I would say economics was much more captivating through the annual entrepreneurship workshop, which enables students to display their entrepreneurial skills and talents. Overall, I would say VES College and Economics Department has contributed to my life journey and my career significantly. As I walk out of this college, I carry along with me the values of the great leader Swami Vivekanand and the indivisible knowledge transmitted by the professors and the college. Thank you.
Hi everyone, myself Nilesh Jaswal, currently working as Mindbox facilitator. I was there in the economics department in the batch of 2018 and 19. College life are the days and the place where we develop ourselves into professional work, where we talk about practical knowledge, what is happening in the industry, and how well we can start our own career life. I'm really grateful for my mentors that I had. Since beginning, they taught us not just the academics topic but also real life economics. I remember it was the same year when the demonetization implemented. With the help of Samita ma'am, Hina ma'am, and Sunita ma'am, I was successfully able to do my research paper and even I won some competitions. Talking about real life competitions and event, our hardworking effort should always be appreciated. When I was working with Economics Association, Samita ma'am has appreciated my efforts by giving me a new place in the Economics Association as technical coordinator. One of the best time that I enjoyed learning is leadership camp. It's a training camp which is organized with the help of Forum of Free Enterprise. It's a place where students from all over India comes to a place and senior industrial people conduct sessions. For example, personal visioning and time management, in which we learn how a leadership keeps his vision and sails through 24 hours of time to achieve it. As a personality, in my college time, I used to be much introvert, but it has changed as we conducted one of the biggest events of the economics department, that is entrepreneurship workshop. It is a place where all your learnings come into picture. We we coordinated with the 14 plus team to build the stalls, decide their product pricing, managing with the college staff for getting the spaces at the ground, building a new teams and strategy for complete execution of it. Economics department time to time arranges alumni talk and industrial visit for us to get a fresh perspective how can we join the industry. Also, college is a place where we meet new people, make friends, and develop a lifetime memory. I'm really thankful for my mentors and friends for making it beautiful. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Richa Sharma. I graduated from the ES College of Arts, Science and Commerce in the year 2017. I scored almost around 90% in my 12th grade and had many options to choose from to take admission in. But Vivekanand appealed the most to me because of the huge amount of opportunities available here to grow and learn from. We have a huge library with so many journals, books, magazines available, and references for each and every subject that's out there. We also have a big playground where you can play and learn different sports. And in case you are a indoor person, you can also play different indoor games in the Gymkhana, which is right next to an amazing canteen which serves delicious food, and it's always fresh and just amazing. Let's not forget the most important reason why VES is what it is. That's the amazing faculty. All the faculty members are highly qualified and enthusiastic about teaching. It's not just about teaching actually. They also provide you with so many opportunities to just take part in, learn from, and look at the world from a very different perspective. We also here at Vivekanand believed in not just developing your academic skills but also honing your performing and literary skills. I remember we had one dedicated hour every Saturdays, which we used to call as Forum Hour, where different activities were performed, and it was just very learning. Also, not to forget the amazing committees that we have, and all of them are very active. The most active of all, of course, is my favorite, NSS. We also have very active student development committee and placement cell, which works very hard to make sure that students are always learning and growing and active. Also, our principal madam is very is very active, and she also keeps looking at different ways to interact with every student and help them develop in whichever way possible. The non-teaching staff, office members, everyone, they all are very cooperative and helping. Choosing Vivekanand was definitely a life-changing moment for me. I hope you all also make the right decision.